Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Woke up this morning and Amber brought me a coffee. It's a great way to wake up. We're just out here for a little bit so Chuck can run his legs off.
Bring me your ball. Charlie, no!
Oh, he's hunting. We're not really sure what he's hunting, but you'll find something.
It's hot today. It's so hot.
That's a good thing. All those days of complaining that you're too cold. You can't complain you're too hot. Mm-hmm. Where's your ball? Get it. Okay, here, throw it for him. So today's mission, I'm going to try and fit the piece for the back. We kept the floor panels that we cut out of here, and I'm going to try and shape a patch to go on the floor, because the floor panels that we have are universal fit, and they don't quite go all the way back to the engine bay. They stop at the wheel well, and there's about a 6-inch gap that we have to fill. So I'm going to put the new panels in. I'm going to lay them out, dry fit them, and then I'm going to place the old panel on top, mark it out, and then give it a cut.
And while Scott's doing that, I am going to sand and prime this side. So what are we doing today?
Well, we're on our way to go pick up a generator. We ran into a few problems with the welder that we borrowed from my neighbor. We don't have any outlets that it can actually plug into. Now it is a 110 3-prong plug-in, but it's rated for a 20 amp fuse, and none of the circuits in the house are 20 amps, so you run the risk of flipping the circuit breaker every couple minutes. And you can't just simply switch out the fuse, can't simply switch out the circuit breaker because the wiring is not rated for 20 amps. So you run the risk of a fire, and it's just not a good safety practice to do. So we're on our way to pick up a generator that can supply the power that we need for the welder.
So as you know, we missed our Wednesday upload because of Scott's birthday.
Woo!
Happy birthday, Scott.
Thanks.
He's 28 years old. He's getting super fragile and old now. Just kidding. Well, big day.
Big day.
Big day. So as you saw already, we got it done. Look how great that looks. Here we go, right, Chuck?
You ready to go, Chuck? He's like, yeah, guys, come on, hurry up.
All right, so see you in the morning. Hi, everybody. A lot has happened. We didn't tape because we had somebody here welding for us, and they weren't exactly comfortable with being on camera, and we didn't want to put pressure on them that way. So we didn't tape it, but we managed to get a lot done. The welding has started. It's officially started. So far we have just the step done. We also got the wheel welds done too. So those holes are covered, patched, everything's good. But as we were going to do more, the generator actually stopped working. We rented a generator and Like, it turned on, everything was good, but for some reason there was no power going to the welder. We tried different tools with it. No, just wasn't working. So we had to bring it back. It was really a blessing in disguise because the next day it happened a thunderstorm, so we did get the next day's money back for the rental. Today we're going to be bondoing the side of the bus. There's just a little bit more that I wanted to fix up. We've sanded and they just keep rusting because it keeps raining.
It's going to be exciting when we can finally paint this.
Yeah. What color do you think we should paint it? Let us know in the comments. Alright, let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
Thanks for tuning into our new season. Please like and subscribe and make sure to hit that bell so you receive notifications for when we upload our videos Wednesday and Sunday. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video and would like to support us, go to whattheventure.ca. Here you will find our custom van life inspired designs available for purchase. Remember, ventures belong to the adventurous.
That's a good cooker.